YouTube? I'm back. It's good. Back with another trade recap. Took a W today. It was my first trade on the top sub accounts. Alright, took a dub. Made 961 across all 5 accounts, and I'm gonna show you how I did that today, right? So coming into the market, we had 10 o'clock right for the news, right? So that's something I'm gonna pay attention to, something to look at. The levels I was looking at that was really standing out to me was the previous day high, because we're looking bullish and it looks like price is drawing towards that previous day high. So I was looking at that, and then we had London lower right here, we got Asia lower right there, right? That's on the hourly. I dropped down to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, I was looking at this right here, and these fair value gaps right here for SMT, right? At around like I think like 9:15, we got an SMT right here, and then price went up a little bit. Yeah, right here we had an SMT right here, and then it went up and then it came back down, but I didn't take a trade at that time, right? What I was really looking at, I was looking at this 15-minute fair value gap right here. Hold on, rectangle. Alright, this 15-minute fair value gap right here on both of them. Both of them had that 15-minute fair value gap. There's a SMT at that 15-minute fair value gap, right? So that's an internal SMT. That's what it's called, right? So you got this 15-minute fair value gap. NQ failed to tap into it, but ES tapped into it. So I see now. I was like, okay, you got the SMT on the 15 minutes. So I dropped down to the 1-minute time frame, and I seen we had this. We also had a 1-minute SMT as well, right? If you look right here, NQ failed to make that lower low, but if you look on ES, where is it? ES made that lower low, right? So that's a 1-minute SMT. So we got a internal SMT, we got a SMT at the 15-minute fair value gap, and then on the 1 minute you also have another SMT, right? So now I'm just looking for a market structure shift and a fair value gap, and that's what I got. We got this market structure shift right here. Price went up a little bit, got the market structure shift, it came back down into that fair value gap right there. So I entered off this fair value gap. Bam, I put my stop below this low right here, and my target, I was targeting this high right here, this high right here. So let me explain what happened. So this swing high right here, this was my first TP. That was my TP1, right? So price came down, tapped into the fair value gap, and went up. It hit my TP1. I took 10 off, and then I moved my stop to break even, right? And then my second TP was gonna be this data high right here, from the 10 o'clock right for the news, right? But we got a SMT with ES, right? If you look on ES hit that data high. So when I seen that, I took off 4 contracts, right? My stop was still at break even, right? And then I'm just waiting to see what happens, right? ES ends up going up, it goes up and it hits the high that I was targeting on NQ, but when NQ ends up going down and down, and then it hits my stop at break even, and then that's when took off everything. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. That's what happened. You know, we got the SMT at the 15-minute value gap. I dropped down to the 1 minute, had the 1-minute SMT, market structure shift, retracement to fair value gap, bam, enter, and yeah, that was it. That was it for today. Yeah. So I made 961 across all 5 accounts. Yeah, so yeah, that's really about it, to be honest. It's looking like price wants to hit that previous day high, but we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, if you guys want to keep seeing videos like these, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.